Welcome to Fluent English. Today we're going to learn present tense through a fun and simple conversation between Arjun and Sarah. Tenses are very important in English, but many people find them difficult to learn. Don't worry, this video will help you understand the present tense and show you how to use it in daily life. If you're new here, make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss our future lessons. Let's get started.
Hi, Sarah. Can you please explain the present tense to me? I always get confused.
Sure, Arjun. Listen carefully. We use the present tense when we talk about things we do regularly, our habits, and general truths.
Can you give me some examples? I understand better with real life examples.
Of course. I brush my teeth every morning. This is a daily habit. We go to school every day. This is a routine. The sun rises in the east. This is a general truth, always true.
Oh, okay, so present tense is for things that happen again and again, like routines?
Yes, exactly. It's also used for facts that don't change, like water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. That's always true, so we use the present tense.
Now I get it. So if I say, I eat dinner at 8 p.m., is that present tense?
Yes, perfect. You're talking about your daily routine, so it's correct in the present tense.
Great! But I've heard people say, she eats dinner at 8 p.m. Why do they add S to eat?
Ah, that's an important rule. In the present tense, when we talk about he, she, or it, we add s or s to the verb. So, I eat, they eat, but she eats and he eats.
So, I play football, but he plays football?
Exactly, Arjun. That's the rule. Only when the subject is he, she, or it, we add s or s. For I, you, we, and they, we keep the verb as it is.
Okay, I think I understand now. So present tense is for routines, habits, and facts. And I only add dot s if I'm talking about he, she, or it, right?
That's right. You got it. Just remember these two things, and you'll use the present tense correctly every time.
Thank you so much, Sarah. This was really clear now.
You're welcome, Arjun. Keep practicing with your daily habits, and you'll get even better.
If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe this channel so that you won't miss any lessons.